How to make a post on Instagram. So if you're an Instagram addict or an hardened user and now you want to post on Instagram, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. You can post on Instagram using your iPhone or your Android. So just go ahead, open the Instagram application on your phone. Then once the Instagram application opens, now for you to make a post on Instagram, all you just need to do is go ahead and click on this plus icon. Then on the plus icon, you should see Reels, Live, Story, and Post. Then go ahead and select Post. Then once you selected Post, go ahead and select whatever you want to post on Instagram here. So here, let's say what I want to post on Instagram is this decor, this one. Now once you selected it, you can click on this option to open it wide and see how big it is. Then go ahead and click on next. Now if you want to post video on Instagram, the same thing is what you just need to do. Select the video you want to post on your Instagram account like this. So once you selected the video like that, click on next. Then this is what you're going to see. Now you can add caption. Click on this sticker icon, add sticker information here. Then add background music. You can just search for music. Then add or adjust the camera audio. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on next. Once you hit the next button, you should see previews. Then add your captions. Tag people if you want to tag any. Then here, click on audience, select your audience, everyone or close friends. Then again, profile display. If you want to display the profile in main grid and regrid or regrid alone, go ahead and select that and then click on done. Then thereafter, click on the share button to post it on your Instagram page. And then once you're done, this video will be on your Instagram page. And if you go to your Instagram page, you should see this exact video there. So let me show you. So these are all the videos I publish on my Instagram page using this similar approach. So that is basically how to make a post on Instagram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.